ko hindi mangyayari lahat ng ito kung wala ka. Never ko din na-imagine na ikakasal. Buti na lang sa'yo ako ikakasal.
7 years later, we're finally here, married. Through all the ups and downs, literal. I'm so glad we chose each other every day.
But then we ended up I'm still in love with you, like a fool. Was I not enough for you?
Ba't ayaw magsalita?
Something I can't do.
Idol, nung una kitang nakilala, wala akong idea na ikaw ang aking makakatuluyan. Pero nagbago ang lahat na ngayon nang magkasama tayo sa
I
real.
was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin.
Napatingin ako sa'yo doon. Na-realize na ikaw na gusto ko makasama. Hindi ko lang bakit pinatagal ko pa.
Shine, it's your golden eye. Oh, you slow down time.
Just 2 days ago, you surprised me with your wedding gift. And you said, pangarap mo yan eh. And honestly, I was so speechless. It literally made me stop and think, what did I do to deserve you? I am so incredibly grateful to God for giving me you as my
Make
husband.
the moment last, she got solar power. Minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did for the love of my life? She's got
We've been through a lot. Mga paghihirap, mga problema na hindi malalagpasan kung hindi ikaw ang kasama harapin. Naalala ko pa nung iniyakan ko ang pera dahil takot ako hindi makapag-provide or hindi makapag-ambag sa mga date natin. Ngayon masasabi ko na ako na ang bahala sa'yo.
to see you shine. It's your golden eye. Oh, you slow down time. And your golden eye. To see you shine. It's your golden eye. Oh, you slow down time.
Kaya ngayon kakasal na tayo. Nais kong nang malaman mo na hindi ako magkukulang sa pag-unawa at pagsuporta sa mga desisyon mo para sa atin.
To see you shine. It's your golden eye. You slow down time.
Salamat at pumayag ka na iligay sa buong kamay ko ang iyong buhay. Magtiwala ka lang lagi at kaya natin to. Mahal na mahal kita. At congrats sa pagiging Mrs. Diego. I'm so excited to be your husband. I love you now and forever.
Fight or flight, it's black and white. I froze in time and I'm stopping the traffic. I couldn't even catch my breath.
When I first met you, I knew it wasn't the right time. But something about you made me believe that one day, somehow, God would bring us together. And He did.
I hope you see the truth. I only want the best for you.
Nangako akong mahalin ka habang buhay at hindi ako mapapagod sa kung anumang problema at pagsubok.
I want the best, I only want the best for you. I want the best, I only want the best for you. I want the best, I only want the best for you.
Kaya nga Daniel at Janica, you have the courage to say to one another that you will love one another in good times and bad, in poverty and in plenty, in sickness and in health, till death do you part. Why? Because in your relationship, God is on top. He is in the center, and He is your firm foundation.
I want the best, I only want the best for you. I want the best, I only want the best for you. I want the best, I only want the best for you.
And today, I promise to love you with all my heart, to support every dream you chase, to laugh with you in good times, and to comfort you during hard times. Thank you for being my home, my partner, and my best friend. And I am so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I will always be so grateful to be yours now and forever, my husband. I love you so much. Love, Mrs. Janica Macy Villadiego.
Mabuhay ang bagong asal. Mabuhay ang bagong asal.